Hi, my YouTube family. My name is Mukesh, and you are watching my YouTube platform again. As most of the people have been requesting me, so please upload more and more group discussion videos. And today I'm going to upload a video on who is more hardworking, man or woman. Here there are 40 students of Unchi Udan, and I have been imparting training to them for last 55 days. This is the 55th lecture, and we have already taken the 4-5 debates, although they are from government schools. But let's see that how they're going to speak, how they're going to debate, how they're going to argue. You can learn from them. You also can put your views into the comment section, that who is more hardworking, man or woman, and how. Also, you should share the points. Okay, so here I'm going to invite Mr. Adi, favoring that man is more hardworking. Adi, please stand up. And this side, Apeksha, she's favoring that woman is more hardworking. First, I'm giving chance to Apeksha. You start that how woman is more hardworking.
Yeah. Hello, good afternoon, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Apeksha. Currently, I am studying in class 9C from Unchi Udan. Today, our debate topic is who is more hardworking, man or woman. I believe that woman is more hardworking than a man. My first is, in our daily life, we can see many examples of hardworking women like sister, grandmother, our mother, etc. They do work from morning until at the day, like cooking food, washing the clothes, doing the dishes, etc. In villages, we can see women fetch water from the well, and then she does all houseworks, and then she provide help in fields for farming of her husband. My third is the woman whose husband has died or drunkard. She do works in many house for her house management and their children's study. This is all from my side. If you have any question, please ask.
Wonderfully. She do, instead of saying she do, you should say she does. So 3 points have been given by Apeksha. Yeah, Mr. Adi, do you have any question from her?
Sir, I have a question that she spoke that women have to, in villages today, women have to fetch water from well, but nowadays there are water supply in home. They doesn't have to, they haven't to go, means to well.
They don't have to go to the well.
Yes,
Okay, nowadays he's saying that water facility is available at home. So, I mean, women don't have to go to the fetch water from other places.
Yeah, your point is right. But now you can see in many villages, women also have to go to where women also have to go for fetch water from well. And if in many villages to water supplies is at home directly, but it doesn't to reduce their work. She has to do all works of house.
So she means to say that a woman starts working since morning to evening, right?
Yes, sir.
And there are the varieties of tasks. Any question?
Yes, sir. So she is saying that the man is not doing his work. Also, the men are doing work like they are doing work for 12 hours. They are doing 12-hour duties. What will be your opinion on this?
Yeah, where man is doing work for 12 hours, but you can see woman is also doing work in jobs. If the woman who is doing job, they are get up early in the morning, they do all the houseworks, then she goes for job, and then come back from job, she do all the works of house. And in villages you can see women do 12 hours, more than 12 hours work.
Good. You said that women are get up early. So instead of saying are get up, you should say women get up early. Good try by Apeksha, guys. Now this chance is for the Adi. I'm giving you chance to share your views that how man is more hardworking.
Yes, sir. Thank you for providing me this golden opportunity. My name is Aditya, and today our debate topic is man versus woman, as you know. Today I am favoring man because as I think man is more hard worker. Because as my first point is, as a man have to do more hard work than a woman, as he even means he have to earn money, even he have to do work at risky places. You can take example of mines like mechanics. It is so hard work. And my second point is a working woman. Everyone gives the example of working woman. A working woman can refuse to do job, but a man can't do so. That's all from my side. If you have any question, then please.
First correction, a man have to. Don't say have to. A man has to work, right? Yeah, any question, Apeksha?
Yes, sir. I have a question. You spoke well, and your points were also good. But I am not satisfied. You said that all were giving the example of working woman. A woman how can refuse a job? Now in present time you can see woman is doing hard working, woman is studying, woman is studying for job, and a man can also refuse and a woman can't refuse the household chores. What's your opinion? So
She means to say women is also responsible, right? She cannot deny, she cannot refuse, right? She is connected with emotions and feelings with her family.
Sir, but even then she can refuse to do job. That like she can do, I can't do that. I have to do household chores.
You mean
also.
she can say that I'll take care of family, I don't want to do job, but a man cannot say so.
Yes,
yeah, but you can take many examples of men, and I'm sorry, I wanna telling that a woman is doing all.
I wanna tell you.
Yeah, sorry. I wanna tell you that a woman can't refuse from household chores. Household chores is not a easy work. She is doing more than 12 hours work.
Okay, but his question was different. His question that women can refuse to do job, but a man cannot. He has to earn money from him. Anyways, both of you tried well. Have sit, guys. You must clap for them. They both really scored good. So guys, it was their fourth debate, and of course they are committing some errors, grammatical errors, because they are still learners. Most of the people are scared and they're very much afraid that sir, we have not improved our grammar, sir. How can we participate in debate? How can we speak? Guys, if you have mindset like this, that you commit some mistakes and you don't want to speak, you want to speak that time, once you improve everything, you're never going to learn, right? These are the students of Unchi Udan. They all have come from government school. They studied in government school, but coming up to this level and they are participating this much nicely. I'm so happy. They're still improving. They still have to improve a lot. So many errors they have to overcome day by day, and we are working hard with them. But I want to suggest to all of you that discussion is only a way, and in spoken English, recorded lectures never work. In spoken English, you need live practice, you need regular practice, number one. Number two, you need a regular discussions as we had right now. It was a long discussion for more than 1.5 hours, but here this was just a glimpse to show you that this is a way to debate, this is a way to do group discussion. You can also find a company, and if you cannot find company, if you don't have people, we also have a PAT platform for that. You can contact us. Guys, if you are first time on our channel, then please subscribe and stay tuned, because we are coming up with so many new things. Thank you. Have a great time.